We at SERanking have just launched the official MCP server. Now you can plug live keyword competitor research data straight into tools like Claude, Gemini, and any other AI assistants, just in seconds. And the best part? Anyone on your team can use it. No technical skills needed. Let's jump in. Say I want to see how Visa is doing against Mastercard in the US market. Here is the exact prompt I would use. As you hit enter, the MCP calls the SERanking API and in seconds compares your site with the top competitor, letting you spot lost keywords, uncover competitor gaps, and instantly find low-hanging traffic opportunities. Alright, now you should have a ready-made roadmap to capture competitor traffic. No spreadsheets, no manual report. This is perfect for weekly SEO checkings, competitor audits, or making fast decisions on which keyword to target and where to double down. With content updates or internal linking. Try it yourself. Start your free trial today and connect SERanking data directly into your AI assistant with our API. The link is right below.